Is that tractor stuck and you have to use the other tractor to pull it out?
I had to get ready and put the engine open. I'm digging.
Pull the engine open?
I'm waiting.
We just need to find your chain or your rope.
Finding. So,
They're not paying attention. She's just gonna wash them.
I'm just gonna wash them. Now the other side. Other side. We are ready to go to.
Oh. So the next day, what are we gonna do now?
Race.
We're gonna race Pa
I hope
and Bubba.
we win.
Oh, we will. Let's go. Oh, there they are. Get over to the starting line.
Get over the starting line. I say get Marcus and go.
Come on, slowpokes. Come on. Hey, he's cheating.
You're cheating.
He's cheating. Ha ha. Ha ha. They're way back there. Are you ready? Set? Go! Oh! Oh no, Jordan, didn't want to take off! Ah! Oh no! Oh, okay, hold on. Where are they? Holy smokes! Holy smokes! Let's go get them. Hang on. We're gonna go get them. Are you having a picnic?
Yeah. Look what I made.
A little heart. I like that.
Look at me.
What'd you make?
I made a wheel.
You made a wheel.
I made a wheel. Look at me. A wheel.
Oh, it does. It turns. You better eat the wheel. I caught you drinking her pop. You're drinking Emmy's pop. Oh, you better hide.
I'm not to drink mine.